As you already know that Grok AI is completely paid for, you can't generate anything unless you pay for a subscription. So I went ahead and did research and made tutorials on how to use it for free, and if you haven't watched my recent videos, then you are missing out a lot. However, these platforms have limitations. I kept digging and found this website called Key AI or Key API. You can search it directly on your browser or grab the link in the video description below. This platform gives you free access to use Grok AI, and if you watch till the end, I will show you a trick to unlock it for unlimited generation. Not only Grok, but it gives you up to 64 models to try out without hitting a paywall. To generate content, click on Get Started and simply log in with your Google account. When you log in, you get to see different models at your fingertips, such as Sora 2, VO3, and Grok Imagine, which is the main interest, Nano Banana Pro, Midjourney, Suno, among others. What is interesting is that you get access to all 64 image and video generation models to use for free. Now, let me show you how to use Grok AI for free and generate unlimited content. From the search bar here, search for Grok AI and you will see it displayed here. Just click on Try It and it will load a generation interface entirely focused on Grok Imagine. There are different ways to use this model. Image to image, basically for editing existing images. Image to video, text to image, text to video, extending the video duration and upscaling for sharper results. I would recommend to generate images using a different platform, like free image generators, and then only come here to create videos to maximize the free credits. In today's tutorial, I will focus entirely on text to video, since most platforms break when generating videos without a reference image. If you get better results, then it proves the model is worth it. In the prompt box is where you describe your video idea, such as an African couple seated under a tree, having an intimate talk. My prompt is very short, but I am prompting like a director with keywords like ultra-realistic and cinematic, golden hour, soft breeze, shallow depth, and of course camera movement. This makes sure you get high-grade results, and this video will contain dialogue. Every great video is governed by a great prompt. Set the aspect ratio. I am choosing 16:9 for YouTube videos, and for the mode I am leaving it as normal. It supports a duration up to 10 seconds and resolution of 720p, but to generate more videos while saving credits, I would recommend a duration of 6 seconds and 480p resolution. Since this is a tutorial, I will choose 10-second duration and the highest resolution and hit run. The generation is very fast. You have to just wait for a few seconds. While the video is being generated, make sure to like this video. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you be the first to watch such hacks, since such offers are limited and rules can change in a short period on such platforms. And I will keep sourcing for you free tools to generate quality content and easily monetize on YouTube without breaking the bank. Alright, the video is ready. Let's take a look.
Being here with you feels like a dream.
It is our dream, my love. Let's live it.
Always together, I love you.
Wow, it's exactly as I requested. Golden hour, soft breeze and no visible glitches, smooth and realistic skin texture with a slow camera push-in, and multi-dialogue with accurate lip sync. Let's watch it again because this is really great.
Being here with you feels like a dream.
It is our dream, my love. Let's live it.
Always together, I love you.
Let's generate another video. This time I want to generate a video of a mother cooking while having a conversation with her son about his father. I will keep the settings by default and run again. The generation took only 90 seconds, and let's see what it cooked.
My son, have you spoken to your father?
No, Mama.
Not since last week. Is he well, did he say?
He just said he's busy.
This is really great. Imagine generating such videos with dialogue for completely free. Such kinds of videos are gaining views on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, better for storytelling and documentary videos. Go ahead, explore the platform, and generate videos with Grok AI while the window is still open, since such offers don't last long. When credits run out, simply log out and use another email to continue making content. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. Happy creating and see you in the next video.